Here, press this button to the wired mode. So first, I will show you the operation on the iOS phone. Prepare a lightning cable, connect it. Then it will show this window. We click Trust, and input password for your phone. And the screen will be on the TV. We can watch the YouTube videos. If you don't want, click it. And then you could do whatever. You could play games, play music, and if you want to disconnect, just unplug the cable. Second, show you for the Android phone. This is Huawei P20. It uses Type-C port, so connect it with your phone. And then we go to settings. And here, system, the developer options. Click it and turn on the USB debugging. Allow it. And here also the web view we need to. Then you see the screen is already on the TV. And you could play videos. We could also play music and play games, send emails, whatever you want. You could share on the TV, and if you don't want to use it, also unplug. So here's the operation. Thank you for your listening and watching.